Want to save $10,000 in a year? Here's a repeatable step-by-step savings system anyone can copy. I used it myself, and I'll show you exactly what I did, month by month. This method works because it's simple. Set a clear goal, measure everything, and take consistent, repeatable actions. You don't need extreme sacrifices, just small choices every day that add up. Step 1. Set a specific target and deadline. Don't say, I want to save more. Say, I will save $10,000 in 12 months. That clarity shapes decisions and makes trade-offs easier. Next, divide the total into monthly and weekly goals to keep momentum. Step 2. Track your income and every expense. Use a simple spreadsheet or an app. Find the categories where you're overspending. Subscriptions, dining out, impulse buys, and quantify them. Awareness is where savings begin. Step 3. Increase income and reduce unnecessary spending. Aim for a mix. Find small side income and trim recurring costs. Examples: deliver food, freelance evenings, sell unused items, or negotiate bills. Cutting $200 a month and adding $300 from side income gets you an extra $500 toward the goal. Step 4. Automate transfers and allocate funds. Treat saving like a non-negotiable bill. Split new income into categories: emergency fund, 10,000 goal, short-term needs, and spending. Automations prevent temptation and create consistent progress. Here's a practical breakdown. To save $10,000 in 12 months, you need about $833 per month. Example mix: save $500 from regular paycheck, add $200 from side income, and cut $133 by trimming expenses. Adjust the mix to your situation. Tips: automate, celebrate small wins, and keep one account for your goal. Pitfalls: relying solely on willpower or using saved money for non-essentials. To scale faster, reinvest windfalls, tax refunds, bonuses, or one-time sales directly into the goal. Recap: set a clear target, track everything, increase income and cut costs, then automate your savings. Try this repeatable system and watch your balance grow. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and keep watching for more practical finance tips. Don't miss our next videos.